Assalamualaikum. Today I will have for you steamed egg sandwich and Spanish omelette for breakfast. Come and join me. Generous amount of olive oil to our hot pan. Onion in. Potato slices. Spring onions. Now we mix all this to our beaten egg. Little salt. Pepper. Mix it well. Now we bring it back to our pan. Cover 2 minutes. Now after 2 minutes guys, our frittata. For our steamed egg, I have here 2 beaten eggs. We mix with half cup of chicken broth, salt, and pepper. Mix. Now we oil these ramekins. Pour our mixture. Steam 15 minutes. Toasted bun, lettuce, tomatoes, steamed egg, cheese, cover top. Enjoy guys!